It is the same principle that causes some objects, like this rock, to sink in water, and causes other objects, like this log, to float. The difference between the two has to do with their density. Density is the amount of matter per unit of volume. Different objects have different densities. For example, most metals, like this piece of lead, have a high density, whereas gas has a low density. Density can be calculated using the equation density equals mass divided by volume. With our piece of marble, we found the mass to be 1,000 grams and the volume to be 376.9 cubic centimeters. By dividing the mass by the volume, we get a density of 2.65 grams per cubic centimeter. Do you think the density of the feathers will be greater or less than the density of the piece of marble? Let's do the math. We know the feathers weigh 1,000 grams and their volume is 16,000 cubic centimeters. By dividing the mass by the volume, we get a density of 0.06 grams per cubic centimeter. As you can see, the feathers have a lower density than the marble. In other words, the marble has more mass per unit of volume.